Welcome to ClearTask. In this tutorial, we will align bullet points horizontally on a single line in Microsoft Word. Start by opening your Word document and navigating to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Click on Table and create a single row table with as many columns as you need. If you want 3 horizontal bullet points, simply create a 3x1 table. Type your information into each separate cell. Once your text is ready, highlight all the content inside the table. Navigate to the Home tab and click the bullet points icon to apply your preferred style. You can adjust the column widths by dragging the lines if you need more spacing between the points. To hide the table layout, hover over the table and click the 4-arrow icon in the top left corner to select it entirely. Right-click anywhere on the highlighted table, choose Table Properties and open Borders and Shading. Select None, then click OK to apply the changes. Your table borders are now completely invisible, leaving your bullet points perfectly aligned on one single line. Subscribe to ClearTask for more direct and professional software solutions.